A powerful snowstorm has brought Montreal to a near standstill, forcing school closures, flight delays, and difficult travel conditions across the city. Up to 40 centimeters of snow is expected to accumulate by 6 p.m., making it one of the most significant winter storms of the season. Schools closed across the city. With heavy snowfall and dangerous road conditions, school boards across the greater Montreal area have announced closures. Public and private schools, as well as several colleges and universities, have shut down for the day, prioritizing the safety of students and staff. Many parents have had to make last-minute childcare arrangements as children remain home due to the storm. Flight delays and cancellations at Montreal Trudeau Airport. The snowstorm has also severely impacted air travel. Montreal Trudeau International Airport (IUL) has reported multiple delays and cancellations, affecting both domestic and international flights. Passengers are advised to check with their airlines before heading to the airport, as worsening weather conditions continue to disrupt schedules. Treacherous road conditions and public transit delays. The heavy snowfall has made commuting extremely challenging. Transport officials have urged residents to avoid unnecessary travel, as road visibility is reduced and icy conditions increase the risk of accidents. Snowplows and salting crews are working around the clock to clear major roads and highways, but the intensity of the snowfall is making it difficult to keep up. Public transit has also been affected, with buses experiencing delays and the metro system running at reduced speeds in certain areas. The Société de Transport de Montréal (ST) has warned commuters to expect longer travel times and possible service disruptions. Authorities urge caution and preparedness. Emergency services and city officials are urging residents to exercise caution and stay indoors if possible. With temperatures dropping and strong winds accompanying the snowfall, conditions could become even more hazardous as the day progresses. Montreal Mayor Valérie Plante has assured residents that snow removal crews are fully mobilized, but she encourages people to remain patient as the city works to manage the heavy accumulation. "We are dealing with a significant weather event," Plante said in a statement. "Please stay off the roads unless absolutely necessary and check on your neighbors, especially the elderly and vulnerable individuals." Storm expected to ease by evening. According to Environment Canada, snowfall is expected to continue throughout the day, with accumulation reaching 40 centimeters by 6 p.m. The storm is expected to taper off by the evening, though strong winds and cold temperatures will persist. Authorities advise residents to stay updated through weather alerts and city notifications. Those who must travel should dress warmly, drive carefully, and ensure they have emergency supplies such as blankets, food, and water in case of unexpected delays. As Montreal faces yet another harsh winter storm, residents are reminded to stay safe, look out for one another, and be prepared for potentially prolonged disruptions.